Mm, Very sorry guys for the connection error which had happened. All right, so again, coming on to Bank Nifty, I hope that you can see me. Let me just check the stream. I'm actually streaming after a long time, so uh, anyways, okay. It has to break this level, guys. It has to break this level. If it breaks this level only, then we can see a good up move. Otherwise, it would be difficult for Bank Nifty to go up. It has to break this level. And this is a potential shorting area in Bank Nifty. 34,997. It's not breaking. Even the target which you would be getting is really small over here. It's like 1:1 target. Yeah, 1:1 target over here. Mm, let's say if it sustains and you take a buy over here. Okay, so that would be, you can see the risk is too high. This is what is coming up. Very high risk, guys. So not supportive. Target would be 0.34% and your stop loss would be 0.48%. And you can see that as soon as it goes up, people are shorting it. As soon as it goes up, people are shorting it. That's because of the volume. Always make sure to check the volume. You can see that the volume is still on the higher side. The sell volume is still on the higher side. Okay. Guys, if you can hear my voice, please give me a hi. And if you can definitely like the stream, it would be really nice. Nifty going up, but Bank Nifty not. Yeah, the market. You have to understand the market sentiment, Ketan. All right. All the people who are buying over here, they are getting caught in the time decay. And I had mentioned your target is over here, 34,997. It will take a resistance. Okay, and if even if it goes up, it will go up like this. Let me show you the ghost feed. All right, it will go up like this. So it's useless to buy options at this point of time when there's so much of time decay going on. You need momentum, you need some catalyst. Okay, if it goes up, it'll do this very well. It can do that. Okay, this is what it can do usually. To go up again, will come down, will hit your SL, and then will go up. All right, so your SL, at least it needs to be over here to get this move. And why am I saying this? Because if you check historically, okay, historically, if you check, let me show you why am I saying this point is very important. You can see that it has created a base over here. Okay, let me mark it for you. You can see this base. There's one base over here again. Okay, then over here you can see this base it has created. after 12 p.m. hope some, yeah, that's what. So you have to keep patience. Yesterday you have seen that I have also made a loss, although it was not a big loss, but a small loss. But the thing is that if the market is not moving, it's useless to hold your position. You can see this point. See, see over here. This is the base which it had created so many times. You can see a number of examples, and you can see the bull rally. Why am I saying this base is important is that whenever it hits this point, it goes up or comes down. Okay, so if previously it was acting as a good support, now it will act as a good resistance. You can see. Okay, whenever it hit, it went up. Hit, it had to break it. If it breaks it, it has to break it with a very strong momentum. Then it went down. Again, when it broke this point, if you see carefully, when it broke this point, that was a gap up that day. And when it had broken, it had gone up, because this was the morning momentum, and you know how morning momentum is. In the morning time, it can break and it can go up. So this is what's happening, guys. See, again it came down, it took a support at this point. Again it took a support at this point, and then it's going up. Can you see this? So this is the price action it has created, and that's why I'm saying this point is really important. You can see it from a holistic view also, that over here, even here, even at these points, you can see. Okay, so definitely it'll take a resistance over there, and I don't want to initiate any buy right now. Only if the volume supports it, then only I would be initiating the buy. Okay, alright guys, so I would not recommend anything right now. If you are, just let me delete this, create further confusion. If you are trading, make sure that you buy futures. You can go for some type of hedging technique, which I have also shared in my channel previously. Okay, you can buy a lot of futures, one lot of Bank Nifty August futures, and you can buy one put option also, in order to reduce the margin. All right. Bank Nifty 200, you're saying it's taking a it has taken a support previously over here. This is the 200 moving average, and this is the point where it had actually taken a support previously. Okay, already support ले लिया है. All right. If you wanted to take a risk, you could have taken at this point, which was at 30, when it was at 34,000. This is the futures chart, by the way. If you wanted to take a risk, you should have taken early on. All right. Again, this is the 3 minute time frame. So round about 34,700 and 740 levels in the spot chart. This is the Bank Nifty futures, so it would be a bit higher. Okay, and then it went up. So that's the thing, guys. But right now you can see that it's not crossing. Again, there's a resistance over here. So in order to cross all of these points, it has to give some momentum. Otherwise, many people would detect it as a head and shoulder pattern. You can see people will say that it's a head and shoulder pattern. But anyways, in the market would only be profitable for those guys who are able to respect their trades. Whenever they are taking a trade, they respect the trade, then only the market will be able to be favorable for them. And you'll notice that many a times we exit from our position, and then it goes to a profit, and then we regret. So it's always better, whenever you are taking a trade, think hard before taking the trade, because even with one lot you can lose 1,500, 600 rupees, and that's a lot. I know so many people in my hometown. They tutor people going to their homes, and they get about 1,500, 1,600 rupees per month. So 1,600 rupees, per month for all that hard work. And just imagine, we just play around with 1000 rupees, 2000 rupees, just like that, like it's nothing, right guys? So you have to, respect, the money in order for that to respect you. And always start with small lot. Whenever you're not sure, go for one lot trading. All right. Okay, Nifty has reached all-time high, guys. 15,991. Oh, okay, Nifty is going to 16,000, I believe. Nifty Nifty is going up, but Bank Nifty is not going up. Nifty is going up, but Bank Nifty is not going up. All right. It can go up, and then Bank Nifty can go up, guys. Let me check the volume once again. This volume is not coming in the buy side, but according to the price action, I think it can go up. Just give me a minute, guys. It's a boring market, anyways. But I think a good momentum is definitely coming into play, because whenever Bank Nifty operates in a small range, you will see a really nice momentum, either up or down. Let's see what happens. But Nifty is making a really okay. Nifty to 16,000. Finally, Nifty can hit 16,000. Okay. Check the open interest in 16,000. Yes, lots of people are ready to short the market at 16,000. But I think after reaching 16,000, it can go up a bit more further because of the momentum involved in it. Okay, 16,000 तो जाएगा ही. निफ्टी तो 16,000 जाएगा ही जाएगा. Hmm. Reliance is also up. Tata Motors had recovered. Okay, guys, Nifty 16,000. All right, Nifty to 16,000, and now the main thing is coming into play. Nifty has touched all-time high. Great, amazing. 16,005. Okay, let's check the option chain. Why Bank Nifty is not moving? Bank Nifty, I think he has corona. It should push, bank nifty up. You have noticed, as soon as nifty touched, all time high, after nifty had touched 16,005, I guess 16,005 it had crossed. All right, they had shorted all of those bastards. They have shorted. This is a really risky position. I would have definitely taken the buy at 15,980, because I know that it will go up. But the thing is that as soon as it reaches that point, the sellers will come into play so fast, and now it's going down. Let me just check bank nifty. And I can see that a lot of OI is also there. That means they have shorted that position, that call option 16,000. That's 52 lakh open interest over there. And mm, yeah, that would be the highest. Yes, that would be a good time to short nifty. That would have been a good time to short nifty, but very risky again. If it was bank nifty, then it would have gone up by another 1,000 2,000 points, if bank nifty were to cross all time high. But nifty is like the sister, the small sister of bank nifty. She doesn't do much damage. and and see, all of those people who have actually bought the call option, they are just suffering the time decay. You have to understand the sentiment, guys. I think so. Bank Nifty, yeah, Bank Nifty is not vaccinated. I'm also not vaccinated because, like, for 3 months now, after I caught Corona, for 3 months I would not be able to get any vaccine according to their, new rules, because you need at least a 3 months gap. So maybe Bank Nifty, yeah. And I think this Delta variant is causing a lot of chaos. See, just all those bastards have shorted Nifty. All of those bastards have shorted Nifty at that point. Now it's making a red candle. If you want to sell something, you can sell Nifty. You can sell Nifty right now, and yeah, after selling Nifty, you can wait for a good target. You can wait for 950 at least. It will come down. It should come down. A lot of people were waiting to short Nifty at that point. 16,000 कब पहुंचेगा तू सिर्फ आ 16,000 में. But I think this expiry we are going to get a really good move in Bank Nifty or Nifty. Why am I saying that? Because last expiry it was totally sideways, all right, and I think this expiry is going to be good. If Nifty going down, then Bank Nifty going down also. Yeah, it's very difficult to understand the game. Now the volume is only in the hands of. You see, see, if someone wants to short Nifty, na, you go short, buy a in the money put option in Nifty. If you want to go short in Nifty right now, you can go short in Nifty right now, and your SL would be 16,010 rupees. Okay, at that point your SL would be. If you want, you can go short in Nifty. The risk to reward ratio would be good right now in Nifty, but it can do anything since it has crossed all-time high. It can do anything. It has touched that level, but it had touched that level in such a day that the sentiments are not so in favor of you know Bank Nifty or Nifty. The bullish sentiments are not there. And you have seen, guys, if Bank Nifty would, if it were to go up, it would have already crossed this point. It would have already crossed this point. See, as soon as it reaches there, people short it. Yeah, buddy, I'm waiting. Break, waiting, break, Bank Nifty level. Which level are you waiting for Bank Nifty to break? Upper level or lower level? I would be rather interested in the lower level because you have seen that market goes down really, fast, but it comes up like like an old aged man. वो जैसे एज हो गया उसका, बुढ़ा हो गया, वैसे मार्केट ऊपर आ रहा है और नीचे जाता है तो एकदम फुर्ती से. हाँ. मैं वॉल्यूम चेक कर लेता हूँ. वॉल्यूम, see, sell quantity is still high, very high. Upside 34,000, 34,750. Let's see. 34,780 I would go short if it breaks. 34,780 I would go short. By the way, was there any positive news, guys, today for Nifty to reach 15,000? Axis Bank. Banking sector, I would not bet on the banking sector that much because you know everything is going down. So if I check Axis Bank, I'm not betting on it. But long run, 1,000 would be the target in the long run. Just give me a minute. Hello. Hmm. Golf course. Metro. ठीक है. Hmm. No. Okay. ठीक है. Hmm. Okay. এখন স্ট্রিম করছি. ঠিক আছে. বাই. ওকে. বাই. So you can you can wait for this level. It's a very clear level over here. 727. All right. 727. Once it breaks, you can take in the buy, but wait for it to break and sustain at this level, like at least two candles or three candles in the 5 minute time frame, and in the 15-minute time frame you can wait for one candle, okay, depending upon your time frame. So I prefer to wait for at least two candles and then I take the buy depending upon the momentum. And is there any event going on in Axis Bank? Let me just check it. No. Sale में है event. Axis Bank, no event, no nothing. So yeah, you can take up a buy once it crosses this level. Okay, very easy. If it's a good day, then you can get this target also. 739, very easy target, Axis Bank. But this is the point where you have to take profit. 739, because it's a really strong base over here. You can see a very strong base. Okay, so all right, Ketan. Oh, amazing. Hmm. Again, it's coming near 16,000, guys. Let's see. 52 level. It has to break this level. After it breaks that level, I think there would be some amount of momentum in Bank Nifty. Nifty had gone up by 0.7% and Bank Nifty has gone up by only 0.3%. Yeah. There's also a trend line. So, what people will do, Indian look, Indian local mentality. When it comes down to this trend line, okay, then they can buy it. When it goes up, they'll sell it. This is what is happening. As soon as it crosses, all of the short will square off their position. बेचो 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 नहीं चाहिए. They're scared of Bank Nifty. No? The movement in Bank Nifty is wild. So, hmm. See, just coming down. These markets you need patience, a lot of patience is required to earn. It's a really good shorting opportunity in Nifty. Should have shorted, could have taken the normal order and waited for expiry, because expiry again the markets will come down. Overall it's in a downtrend. Nifty is an all-time high, but I think Bank Nifty can pull Nifty down. No, overall sentiments are also quite negative. In this market, if you want, you can do scalping. A lot of scalping can be done. When it comes up, you short the market. When it goes down, you buy the market. That's what is happening. But one big move and it can wipe off all of your profits, and you would be at a net loss. Virat, hi Virat. After a long time, how are you? Nifty, maximum lot size at 150. Lot size right now for Nifty is 50. Previously it was 75. They had decreased it. All right, Virat. Now, guys, this is a consolidation. Okay, over here it's consolidating. So the upper move, it can come even a 20 16 50. That's the max. Let me just projections once.